Okay, we are now go over chapter 8, alcohol reaction. So the previous is 3, they all start with something else and with alcohol. That's why the previous one was called alcohol synthesis. This one is alcohol reaction, which they all start with alcohol and they end up with different stuff. So comments, we're going to say what's the mechanism. And the first one is SN2. Second one, I write secondary. However, okay, secondary and tertiary, they go SN1. Okay, so that's yeah, kind of like a summarize from what you learned. What notes we learned this? Let me find. Okay, I'll also write the notes number, so it will be nice to have them. So it's the one we kind of like talk about if it's a nucleophilic acid or not. Okay. Okay, it will be notes 22 if you want to review this part. Okay, notes 22. We were emphasizing on if that's nucleophilic acid or it's not. Okay, so I'll write notes 22. Okay, notes 22. Maybe a little bit of 23. Just so you know what we're doing, I'm putting a bunch of predict major product on the board. Those are more or less like a summarize of the lecture notes. We just went through 3, but it's being recorded. So yeah, so that's the current one. Think about this. Yeah, they've been doing this for a while, and okay, we're on the process of this is going to be SN2 because it's primary. Secondary and tertiary, we're going to do SN1. And the notes number, I went over this on the during the class, is notes 22 and 23. So in case you need more resource on, that's where you should go to. HX, so I write in the class, those are nucleophilic acid. So, okay, nucleophilic acid. So later we are going to summarize what's happened if it's non-nucleophilic acid. So this bunch is nucleophilic acid. All right, SN2. So what's happened with SN2? We said to treat this one as mechanism. So HX, protonation, okay, will form a good leaving group, which, okay, this will be good leaving group. And our X, what my X is going to do is going to attack and kick the good leaving group out. So the final product should be X and water. But you don't need to write water. This is, I just write them here just for complication. Yeah, okay. Comments on this one. It's primary, but what if I have a really highly substituted next door? You should still think about, could it do SN1 on carbocation shift, okay? Okay, next one, SN1. Let me track the video here. It's 4 minutes.